Why should academic institutions collaborate with Tech Institute? There is a need for empowerment. Empowerment is needed for knowledge application. Knowledge application refers to transforming the acquired knowledge to practical purpose. The knowledge is what derived out of management and the technology education. Significant attention has to be shown to channelize the technology and management to students for translating the knowledge effectively and knowingly to various business domains. Linking education for practical implementation is a challenging task. At the same time, initiating efforts on this direction will be an interesting and rewarding one. Even a small percentage of success obtained by academic institutions and business organizations in this regard will be highly laudable. In a nutshell, the need is to switch on the thinking process of the students to address what education aims at. The goal is to conceptualize and formalize an idea or answer for a given situation. Let us look into the empowerment required areas. Having identified the need, the next thing is what would be the empowerment required areas for the technology and management students. Following are the highlights. For creating an organization working details, a basis on which business functions, which means one must be able to have inside and outside details of the organization in an easy to understand format. For relating business outcomes and its consequential effect, which means one must be able to arrive at a framework without loose ends in organizations' day-to-day working. For relating the thinking process to decision making, which means one must be able to depict clear the workflow exhibited through a recording process. For transferring ideas into practice, which means one must be well prepared to effect a transition. For encountering new and dynamic situations, which means one must be able to visualize things based on day-to-day affairs and crisis. Where to begin? To begin with, one must be clear of the following terms. Knowledge refers to sum total of what is known, skill gained out of education and experience. Application refers to practical use or relevance, the combined effort. Process refers to series of actions taken towards achieving a particular result, executing as per pre-requirements. Empowerment refers to giving the skill or power and the will to act. By relating the above four, what culminates is process empowerment for knowledge application. Process empowerment. Why does it become a core issue? Process is centric for knowledge application, and only through this the knowledge is channelized for results. Better the process management, better the results of the activities would be. For organizations, it is business processes. The technology and management students are going to work for business processes. Hence, process empowerment becomes a core issue. Empowerment is therefore required for knowledge application and transformation. What is a modus operandi? The empowerment can be given through a methodological approach which should be simple and direct, practical and implementable, educative and exploring, conceptual and contextual. The methodological approach can be given by conducting training programs for students and management development programs for executives and managers. The training program can be either in-house, external, through EduSat or VSAT. E-learning. E-learning is becoming a supplementary force for in-house and corporate training programs. It is setting a new trend in imparting education to technology and management students to learn from anywhere at any time. It is unconventional, radical and timely, and hence drawing a great attention from all educational and training institutions. The other attractive factor is online evaluation and certification. This is a value addition factor for participants for enhancing their self-esteem. For organizations, it means more productivity from the stakeholders. The cost factor in e-learning is insignificant compared to either in-house or external training programs. Moreover, it is interactive by participation through online forum, by exchange of views, through discussions and case analysis. Empowerment through e-learning. Process empowerment for knowledge application by e-learning program will be worth considering for the advantages it provides. Specialized institutions with proven methodology can play an effective role. It will be rewarding to look for such institutions to associate with. Here, reference is drawn to the e-learning course on process empowerment offered by a specialized institution. Which is institute offering? Process Empowerment Certification Institute, an e-learning wing of Center for Information Systems, CIPS, has introduced an online training through the Gateway to Knowledge application website, www.gwkap.com. What does it provide? The course provides empowerment through a methodological approach on process management, enabling students to drive their knowledge for various applications. The methodology is organization, process, documentation, and integration. The OPD methodology has been proved in government and private sector organizations and has received acclamation and recognition. What are the course details? The OPDA comes under various topics: the concept and applications, functional analysis, integration analysis, process analysis, tables and data, re-engineering, system audit, TQM, business applications, OPDA structure, OPDA reports, OPDA benefits, e-governance, integrated system bridge software. Evaluation of the methodology. An evaluation of OPDA methodology has been done on the following factors. How does the methodology facilitate empowerment? The commendations and recognitions of the methodology. Does the methodology facilitate empowerment? Each topic is evolutionary and logically derivative. OPDA facilitates empowerment for the following benefits. That is, refer and match with empowerment requirement areas which have been shown earlier above. The documents through functions and processes, comprehends through business systems. So OPDA facilitates these details. Documents through functions and processes, comprehends through business systems, interrelates through process integration, depicts through workflow, conceptualizes through basic case analysis, standardizes through process reengineering, transits through functional business cases, perceives through change management systems and methodologies, explores through productivity cases, prepares through dynamic business cases. The commendations and recognitions of the methodology. The methodology has the quality certification from the STQC Directorate, Ministry of Information Technology and Government of India. Express Computer has acclaimed it as a world-class in functionality and user-friendliness and as one of the few innovative products in India. The weekly said that the approach promotes user participation, which is crucial to the success of any project and will meet the growing needs of various organizations, including consulting companies. Many leading organizations in manufacturing, financial, and commercial services are the clients of the methodology. Few to mention from different segments are ECC, L&T, MRF, Sundaram Finance, Road Transport Corporation, Intimate Patients, and many more. Government of Pondicherry has selected it on an open tender qualifying for uniqueness and research-based approach. OPDA is evaluated and approved by the Screening Committee of Department of Administrative Reforms, Government of India, implemented as part of administrative reform schemes. A paper on OPDA was presented by Directorate of Information Technology, Government of Pondicherry, and published in the 8th National Conference on E-Governance at Bhubaneswar in 2005. Similarly, a paper on OPDA for capacity building was presented and published in the Conflex 2005 at New Delhi during 2005 October. An article on OPDA under the caption E-Governance Implementation in Government of Pondicherry as a Holistic Approach has been published in E-Governance Exclusive Magazine for E-Government in November 2005. A chapter on OPDA has been included in the book The State, IT and Development under the Section 2 Challenges Before the State of Sage Publications. A two-day workshop on process standardization for change management by OPD methodology was organized by Computer Society of India in 2006. The feedback was overwhelming. Observations and suggestions. The e-learning course, CIPS OPDA, www.cipsopda.com through www.gw2kap.com, conducted by the Peck Institute, is an innovative and unique. It will provide a strong foundation for the technology and management students on business processes that will enhance employability potential. The course provides a way for continuity in empowerment through integrated system bridge software provided as part of the course. Conclusion. Peck Institute is intended to provide this course on a nominal fee for registration, evaluation, certification. Hence, the organization, institution can sign a MOU with Peck Institute upon which necessary announcement to faculty and students can be done. Thank you.